Morning. My camera is wonky. Okay, better, I think. Today is a quick video. Basically, I am doing a mini upgrade to my desk setup. So for those of you who are new, my name's Chris. I am converting an ex-U-Haul into a work living space. And for the work side of things, I spend 90% of the time at my desk. So it's really important to me to have a space that is productive, but can also be packed away and look nice and calm and stuff when I'm not working at it, because I just don't want to have constant reminders of my work when I'm trying to relax. So the first version of my desk setup had a monitor mount that was pushed up against the wall, but then I got a window. So I moved that monitor mount to the side so I could pull it out, but I still don't like it. And for my second monitor, I wanted it to be able to be packed away really easily. So I have a solution. Basically, this is just an iPad / monitor mount. And it can be used to hold an iPad. So you go boop like that, or a phone or a small monitor. It just has a magnetic ring on it. And you put a magnetic ring on the back of the whatever you want mounted and plop it on. So I got this so I could have a second monitor that could just pack away completely. This is designed to go on the desk in front of you. But my terrible engineering side of me was like, what if I could do it upside down so that it can hang from the upper cabinets and then I can still pack it away like this. I can still pack it away on the upper cabinet and then I can put the monitor away too. So that is what I'm looking to do today. But my original monitor is too big to be able to do that. That has a power cable, an HDMI cable, all that sort of stuff. So I got a portable monitor. So this is a 15.5-inch monitor, which comes with its own case and stand that folds out, and you can prop it up like that. But as you can see, I removed that case because it was bolted onto it. So I removed the case and I want to use it as a separate monitor. So today's very, very simple. I've already removed the old monitor and the old monitor mount, and I'm going to install this new one, the new monitor mount, and get it set up with this new monitor that, if I want to, can be packed away clean, neat, and tidy. So that's what I'm going to do today. But first, I need to shower. So this is a closer look at the monitor stand. It's basically an iPad stand that has a magnetic ring on it. It's sturdier than it looks. It can hold like any size iPad, and pretty much a 15-inch monitor, which is what mine is the top end of what it can hold. Anything bigger than that and it probably will topple over or the magnet will fall off. But it's pretty sturdy overall. And then this is the monitor. It comes with its own built-in monitor stand, which is this little cover thing that you get for it. And it's kind of screwed on at the back. I just undid the screws so it can just be used as a monitor. It's USB-C powered, so it is just one cable from the computer up to the monitor. And as you can see, when you actually attach it to just the stand itself, it's super secure. I actually put 2 magnets on the back so I can change the position depending on how I want to have it. So I can have it eye height on this little stand, or I can have it sort of in a different way when I hang it from the upper cabinets. But yeah, it's a super simple setup and it's super lightweight. It is literally the lightest monitor that I think I've ever had. So I'm really, really happy with it. But yeah, this is kind of how it looks just on the stand on the table. Like I said, I got 2 of these stands, so I can move across to my sofa if I want to work over on the sofa and still use the monitor as a second monitor. So I got a bit greedy with it. So this is my new desk layout with the window behind. So as you can see here, this is literally just VHB tape attached to the foam on the bottom of the monitor stand. And then the VHB tape is stuck up on the upper cabinet. Now, this didn't work first time. I actually ended up removing the foam from the bottom of it and reapplying the VHB tape because the VHB tape didn't stick to the foam very well. But that would be the only thing that I would recommend that you change, is removing the foam from the bottom before you attach it. So I really wanted to be able to look out the window if I wanted to and not constantly have to move the monitor back and forth against the wall. I wanted to be able to just clear it completely. So if I do want to look out the window and I just want to be at my desk and write, then I can do that. And the whole monitor can be tucked away. So that's why I wanted to do it attached to the upper cabinets. And then here you have it. You can see my laptop is like a 13.5-inch screen tablet kind of thing. And the monitor above it is a 15.5.6-inch monitor, I think. So it kind of looks tiny on the actual video itself, but in use, it's super useful. For me, I really like having two screens, especially when I do video editing and stuff like that. Being able to have two separate being able to have two separate screens is super useful to be able to for my workflow, essentially. But also being able to separate them out if I want to. If I want to just use it as a laptop, I can still bring my computer over to my sofa and work from my sofa, or I can pull this monitor down and use two screens at my sofa if I want to. It's just a super flexible setup and can be packed away really clean, really quickly, and it's super lightweight as well. So I'm super happy with the setup. Like I said, it was just a quick video just to sort of show you how just the little tweaks to my workflow as I go, getting used to being in the truck and how I work and what I like and what I don't like has been a process. Especially when you start to think about like having natural light coming in and windows and stuff like that. It's really important for me for the 90% of the time that I'm working to be comfortable. And this gives me that flexibility and comfort at the same time. So yeah. So that is it from me for now. For now, I'm clocking out.